Hi everyone, we want to simplify this nice expression. We have 8 raised to the power 5 minus 8 raised to the power 4. What will be the simplification of this? What will be the final value? So first thing first, we have our solution. So from here, we can simplify this 8. So we have that to be written as 2 power 3, then power 5 minus 2 power 3, then power 4. Now from here, what we need to do is we need to consider this identity. Base A power n into bracket power m can be written as base A power n multiplied by m. So we use this for the next step, and the next step becomes 2 raised to power this multiplied by this. So we now give us 15 minus 2. This multiplied by this, 4 multiplied by 3. We have 12. And that will be equal to, so here we can split this 2 raised to power 15 as 2 raised to power 12 plus 3 minus 2 raised to power 12. So, and this can be written as, considering our identity of this nature, base A power n plus m is written as base A power m multiplied by power m. So let's use this identity to determine the next step. So the next step becomes, this will now become 2 power 12 multiplied by 2 power 3 minus 2 power 12. Now from here, we can discover that 2 raised to power 12 is over here and over here. So let's bring it out. 2 raised to power 12, now open the bracket, 2 raised to power 3 minus 1. So the next step becomes 2 raised to power 12 into bracket 2 raised to power 3 will give us 8 minus 1. And that will be equal to 2 raised to power 12 multiplied by 7. And this can also be split as 2 raised to power 10 plus 2 multiplied by 7. Considering our earlier identity, we can also write this as 2 power 10 multiplied by 2 power 2 multiplied by 7. Now here, this can be written as 2 power 10 multiplied by 2 power 2 will give us 4, then multiply by 7. Now what we need to do is to multiply this. So we have 2 raised to power 10, 4 multiplied by 7 will give us 28. Now from here, we have that this can be written as 2 raised to power 10 multiplied by this can be written as 30 minus 2. 30 minus 2 will also give us 28. 2 raised to power 10 can now be written as 1024. 1024. Then into bracket 30 minus 2. Now from here, if we multiply this value with 30, we are going to get, and also subtract it with the multiplication of 2. We are now going to get 30,720 minus 2 1048. That will be the value for multiplying this value with the expression in the bracket. So if we subtract this, we now have 28,642 as our final value. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Click on the next one to continue your math skill, and we'll meet in the next lesson.